Sneakerheads, how you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got the updates and recaps, starting off with the updates. So as you know or don't know, we do have new pictures of the Jordan 1 High Unions. Now, there was a sample Union pair to release. However, these are just samples. We don't think that these colorways going to drop. We did feature that UNC at the bottom, and it did have the blue at the top. However, I don't believe that those will drop because we already have some Jordan 1 UNCs dropping this summer, so I don't see Jordan Brand dropping both of those shoes. But again, that is a sample. But however, we do have an official release date on the Jordan 1 High Chicago's with the gray at the top. We do have an official release date on February the 28th. Those will be releasing. Best recommendation for you is to go to the Union website and sign up for their newsletter, so you can get the official word from them. As of right now, we do not know if these will be dropping on the Sneakers app as well. Hopefully they will. We have to stay tuned for that. Just to let you know, I do have the last Unions that did release. This was a controversial pair because of that. Some people don't like this stitching right here, so that's why these shoes didn't do well, but I did cop me a pair, and I'm looking forward to attempt to copy pair of these Chicago, so stay tuned for that. Let us know down in the comments, do you have any Unions in your collection? Or will you be going for these? So moving on to the Jordan recaps, these are the shoes that dropped from the 26th of January through February the 1st. Go ahead and start us off, my brother.
So on the 29th, we did have Air Jordan 1 Low OG Year of the Snake. This was a family pair. Price point for men's, we're going for 160. Grade school was going for 140. And AKA babies, preschool, we're going for price point of 90. And infant and toddler, AKA babies, price point of 75 bucks. And according to Nike.com, all sizes are still available. Once again, all sizes, according to Nike.com, are available.
Yes, sir. So on the same day, we were supposed to have the Nike SB Dunk Low. This was called the Autumn. However, this release did get pushed back until February the 19th. On the day of this recording, this is the 17th. So in 2 more days, the shoe will come out on the 19th. I'm not sure if this video will come out in time to let y'all know about that, but they did get pushed back. Again, this retails for $115. I do see these easily to obtain because I don't think SB Dunk looks like a GR to me. However, let me know down in the comments will you be going for these dunks or not. So moving on to January the 30th, we did have the Nike Pegasus Premium. It did come at a high price point of $210, and to my surprise, they all sold out. Good job there, Nike brand. So apparently, rumors are that these shoes are taking off in the Europe. I don't know about here in the US. I haven't seen anyone wear these on feet. Let me know down in the comments. Have you seen anybody rocking these? But again, these all sold out. What we got next, my brother?
So February the 1st, we did have the Air Jordan 3 Valentine's Day. This was a women's pair, and price point for those were going for $200. And I'm totally shocked that all sizes did sell out. So nice work there, Jordan Brand. Right? According to Nike.com, all sizes did sell out. And I was shocked. I was shocked because at price point, I felt like these shoes will go sit. It was a nice, clean shoe, but drop us a comment down below if you were able to snatch them up. But nice work, Jordan Brand. All sizes did sell out, so nice work there.
Yes, sir. So just to let y'all know, we did get a pair of those in, and if you haven't done so, go ahead and check out that video right there. But in my opinion, this shoe was way better in hand. Because what I didn't expect is on the upper, it did have like a silk around the top of the shoe, which was to my surprise. I didn't notice that from the pictures, but overall, this was a better shoe in hand. So if you haven't done so, I don't doubt if you can get you a pair because I didn't see any at the mall either. Like a lot of sneakerheads scooped them up for the Valentine's Day. But congratulations, you got you a pair. Let us know down in the comments. Are you rocking those or dropping those?
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.